In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply reverse VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever needed to search for a value in one column and return a related value from a column to the left, this is exactly what reverse lookup helps you do. In older Excel methods, that kind of lookup could be awkward, but with XLOOKUP, it becomes much simpler and more flexible. Start by opening your Excel file and clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. This is the cell that will display the value you want Excel to return. In this example, we want to find the ID number for a person named John. Now, type this formula into the selected cell, equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, quotation mark, John quotation mark, comma, B3 colon B5, comma, A3 colon A5, close parenthesis. What this formula is doing is very straightforward. First, it tells Excel to look for the text John. Next, it tells Excel where to search for that name, which in this case is the range B3 through B5, also known as the name column. Then it tells Excel what value to return once it finds a match, which is the corresponding value from A3 through A5, the ID column. This is called a reverse lookup because the return column is to the left of the lookup column. Traditional VLOOKUP usually expects the lookup value to be in the first column of your table, but XLOOKUP does not have that limitation. That makes it a great option when your data is arranged in a way that doesn't fit the older lookup pattern. Once you finish typing the formula, press Enter. Excel will immediately return the ID number that matches John, as long as the name exists in the lookup range and the ranges are aligned correctly, row by row. One important tip is to make sure both ranges cover the same number of rows. For example, if your lookup range is B3 to B5, your return range should also span 3 rows, such as A3 to A5. If the ranges don't match, the formula may not work as expected. And that's it. You've successfully applied a reverse VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel using XLOOKUP. It's a quick and reliable way to pull related data from a column on the left, and once you understand the logic behind it, you can easily adapt the same approach to other spreadsheets and lookup tasks.